How's it going, guys? Chance Cards. Happy 4th of July. Today, I got another box of SP Authentic. Hoping for something really good here, like an acetate young gun of a good player, or one of these 30th anniversary diamond relic cards would be sweet, or a patch would be sweet. But since it's Independence Day, 4th of July, I'm gonna do this as well. So, double break. Hoping for fireworks right here tonight. That's what I'm hoping for. We'll start with SP Authentic. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already, please. I'll be doing a giveaway at 50 subs. Excuse me. Got a frog in my throat there. So yeah, guys, I'm excited. SP Authentic. I love this stuff. I've opened a lot. I'm just gonna do the base cards. Not really gonna show them. Nino Niederreiter update. I've got a lot of these base cards. Alright, next pack. Next pack. Here we go. Authentic Moments, Andrei Svechnikov. Bunch of base. Red, Johnny Gaudreau. If you need the complete sets, like I said before, if you want any of this, let me know. We'll sell for cheap. I go by eBay sale price on all my stuff, usually. And if I can't sell it for that, I usually won't sell it. Like if I think it's either going to rise in value and I think it's not worth that, which in a lot of cases I do. So, red, Pierre-Luc Dubois. Ooh, anything behind it? No. And Connor McDavid, Authentic Moments. Come on, Pedersen. Nick Schmaltz update. So yeah, a lot of crazy trades, a lot of good signings recently. Been interesting to watch, exciting. Henrik Lundqvist, rookie year milestone. You might hear fireworks going off in the background, and I have the AC on because it is really warm. It's been really humid today, so sorry for the noise. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Actually, turn that down, sorry. My apologies. I didn't even realize it was on. It's been so hot I kind of muted it. Ooh, Lawrence Pilot, Young Guns. Cool. Alex Ovechkin moments, authentic moments. Ooh, Future Watch auto. Please be somebody good. Chicago Blackhawk. Dylan Sakura. I think I might already have that. Dylan Sakura. Sweet, so there's one Future Watch, hoping for some more. Oh, I don't know what this is. Oh, autograph Future Watch. This is one of the older ones. Jake DeBrusk, yes. Oh, yes, dude. Friggin' right. 818 out of 999. Oh, that's cool. Yes. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. 4th of July, fireworks coming through. Let's keep it going. Wow, that's cool. That makes me happy. Nick Bukestad. Update. Oh, Nino Niederreiter exclusive. Nice. Nice. Trocheck. Blah, blah, blah. Man, I just need a patch, and this box is perfect, huh? Must be a Spectrum. Connor McDavid. Nice. This is a good box. Where's that patch? I wouldn't mind another auto if they're gonna give me one. That would be cool. There it is. I already have this one too. Justin Schultz. Sign of the Times. Nice. Oh, so those are duplicates. Those are both for sale. Just saying. Sweet. 3 autos. Jeff Carter. Red. Alright, last pack. Nope, no patch. Mike Modano, rookie year milestones. Okay. Overall, that's a good box. I'm really happy with that, actually. That was cool. I mean, look at this. Happy 4th of July. Jake DeBrusk. Future Watch auto. That's PC. Big time. Big time PC. Oh, so cool. Alright guys, I've never opened this product before. This box has number 97 on the bottom. Right there. The last 2 numbers. Last 2 numbers, 97. Is that good? I don't know. We're about to find out. Stepping up my chase for Connor McDavid with this 15-16 Upper Deck black hockey. 6 super premium cards per pack. 1 pack in here. And you'll be seeing more. I have more of it. This one is not the heaviest of the ones that I have in my upcoming videos. So, but number 97, that's what we want. Number 97, 15, 16, 97. There's our one pack. Just trying to not damage anything. I'd rather break the box like that than, because I don't care. I don't care about the box very much. I care about this product. So here we go. Set my beautiful Future Watches aside. I'm a little nervous. Here we go. Come on, McDavid. 6 super premium cards. Super premium. That's what I want. Fireworks. 4th of July. Trying to do this so we can't see them, so. Decoy on that side. Decoy on the front. Alright guys, here goes nothing. First card, right off the top is John Tavares, 178, 349. It's one of the base, I believe. Upper Deck black base. That's cool. Alright, I think these all go this way. Next up, we got Matt Pemple on card. Lustrous rookie. Auto. A little bit of a scrape on the card there. I don't know if Upper Deck can do anything about that. It's a nice card. I don't know if he's playing or not. If you guys do, definitely let me know. Ooh. I know what this next one is. I'm gonna go from this side. Oh my. Look at that. 205. Rookie coverage. Ryan Hartman. Whoa. Can you guys even see that? 205. Whoa. Look at that card. I just went random on that one. I don't know why I went from the other side, because I know what this next one is, and it's really sick, so I'll go with this one. And Shane Prince, rookie coverage. This one's not numbered. Not numbered. Just a white patch there. Game used, but I mean, look at the difference in those two, huh? Look at the difference. Look at that patch. Wow. That has to go by itself. That's such a sick hit. I mean, holy crap. So we got Dylan Larkin, rookie trademarks. Nice, Dylan Larkin. This must be a Dylan Larkin hot pack because the next card, Dylan Larkin, pro penmanship. That's cool. That is really cool. Very sweet cards. Wow. I mean, I got 2 Dylan Larkin rookies. And a Ryan Hartman patch, numbered to 5. Wow. That's such a sick patch. I can't even get over that. Wow. Sweet. That is a good 4th of July break. I got a freaking Jake DeBrusk Future Watch auto. I got a freaking Dylan Larkin Pro Penmanship rookie auto. And this. I mean, come on. Look at that. Number to 5. 2 out of 5. What the heck? That's crazy. Looks like it's in pretty good shape, too. And those cards usually, when I get a really good sick card, it's usually not in that good a shape. So, awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Happy 4th of July. Yeah, go America. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Chance Cards out.